In this lecture, we are going to work on View Order Details page. As soon as I click on this, in my path, I will have this one and I have to include this View Order Details.php. I will copy file name. Inside admin area, I'm just going to create that file. From list orders.php, I will copy this container. Let me scroll up. I will copy this. Inside this view order details, I'm just going to paste and then close div. Here, I will pass another class order details. Change font awesome, FA file invoice. Text, I will write order details. Save this. Come to project, refresh once. Okay. In this way, my title will be displayed. But below this H2, I will also create one anchor tag. Class, I will write BTN secondary. And inside this, I will pass index.php. If the admin clicks on this, admin should go to list orders. Text I will be passing back. And before that, I will also pass font awesome. FAS, FA arrow left. Save this. Refresh once. Here I am having back button. But what I will do, this order details and back button side by side, I am just going to display. So both this I will be wrapping inside div container. For this, I will give the class as display flex. Justify content between line item center, margin bottom of 4. Copy this closing div container and below this anchor tag, I'm just going to paste. Now come here, refresh once, side by side, we have this order details. If I click on this back, I will be redirected to list orders. Again, let me click. Now below this div container, create another div class. I will be passing row. So inside this, basically, we are going to have two sections. First will be for the left side and second will be for the right side. So inside right side, admin can update order status like it is delivered or shipped or pending. Inside left side, we are going to display complete order information. I will create first div where we are going to display order info. Let me write the comment. Inside first div, we will display order info. So below this, create one div and class I will pass column LG of 8. First, I will create one div class I will pass column LG of 8. Inside this, I will have another 3 sections. First will be displaying the order details. Second, it will display which user has ordered this item. Third, we are going to display what products we are having inside that order. So let us start with first div container where we are going to display order info. Let me write. First, we are going to write order info. Create div container. Class, I will pass cart, order cart and margin bottom of 4. Create another div. Class, I will be passing cart body. Then H5, section title. Create font awesome. FAS, FA shopping cart. Inside this H5, I will write the text as order info. Below this H5, create one div. Class, I will pass row and gutter of 3. Now start creating div column medium screen of 6. Inside this, I will be creating label. Class, I will write info label. First label, I will be passing invoice. Below this label, I will create one paragraph. And for this class, I will pass invoice text. Here I will write hash. As of now, I will pass static data, some random number. Save this. Come to project, refresh once. You can see in this way, left side will be displayed. And here I am going to display order info. Remove this for I do not need. Then copy this div container. Below this, I will paste. Next, I will change to date. Here class, I will be passing value. Next, again paste. Pass amount. Class, amount text. Remove this. I will write 700. Come to list orders. Copy this symbol and inside this I will paste. Next, again copy. Below this paste. Label, I will pass products. Remove paragraph, I will create one span tag. Class, I will write batch info and big batch. Text, 2 items. Copy this div container. Below this, I will paste payment mode. Here I will pass razor pay. Next, copy, paste. I will write payment ID, some random number. Then next, payment status. Copy this div container. Below this, paste. I will write payment status. Batch success. Here I will be passing completed. As of now, I will pass completed. Next, copy. Below this, paste. Track status. Primary. Here I will pass delivered. So this is our first div container where we have displayed complete order info. Let me show you the output. Refresh once. You can see in this way order info will be shown. And whatever badges I have passed, that badge is also shown. Now scroll down. Below this div container, we are still inside this column LG itself. Below this, now we are going to create the content for customer. So here I will write the comment customer. Below this div container, class cart, order cart, margin bottom of 4. Next div cart body. Just scroll up. I will copy this H file and inside this paste. Icon, I will write FAS, FA user. Text customer info. Which customer has placed the order, that info also we are going to access. Below this, I will be creating 3 paragraphs and inside each paragraph, I need strong tag. Here I will display name. Let me pass Khanam. Here give name. I will be passing Khanam. Then next email khanam@gmail.com. Then mobile, some number. Let me change to capital C. Same thing again I will copy. Here I will be passing address. Inside this I will write Bengaluru. Now refresh once. This will be the output. Which customer has placed the order, that customer details we are going to show inside this container. Now last cart we are going to display for products. Just copy this. Below this I will paste close both div containers. Div close and again div close. Here I will be passing products. Remove this info and just format this one. Below this H5, create one div. Class, I will pass table responsive. Inside this, create table. Class, table. Table hover. Order table. Create table head. Inside this, I will be creating table row. In total, I want 5 table headings. First will be the product. Okay, basically product name. Then image. How much quantity user has placed for this order. Okay, for each and every product, quantity will be shown. What is the price and total amount. If quantity is true, then we are just going to multiply price and quantity. Below this table head, I will create table body. Create table row. Inside this, I'm just going to create table data. Product name, let me write birthday card. Create another TD. Inside this, we have to display the image. Let me display the static image. Same folder, product images, 1.png. Let me check. I am having 1.png. Inside alt, I will pass product name. And for this image, I will also pass the class as product image. Then create TD. Inside this, I will be creating span tag. Class, I will write batch info and quantity batch. Quantity, I will pass 2. Then next below this TD, I will create another TD. Price, I will be passing 670. Let me just copy the symbol and inside this paste. Next another TD, paste, and here I will be passing 700. Okay, total revenue. That is total. Come to project, refresh once. Below this, I am having another div container. where we are going to show complete product information present inside this order. Now we have completed left part. Now we are going to work on right part. So just come here. Below this, I will create div column large of 4. Above, I have used 8 columns. So left is 4. Create one div container. Just come here, copy this, and here I will be pasting. Close this div and close another div. Remove this. I will pass the class as sticky cart. Here I will write FA truck date status. Save. Come to project, refresh once. You can see right side this content will be displayed. Now below this H5, I will create one form. Action I do not need. I will remove. I will pass method. Method is equal to post. Why I am creating form? Because admin can change the status of order. Inside this, I will create select field. Class, I will pass form select. Name, track status. ID, I do not need, so I'm just going to remove. And for this, I will be passing required. I will create 4 options. First value, I will pass pending. Second, shipped. Third, out for delivery. And fourth, delivered. Copy this, paste, 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 and paste. Then below this select, I will create one button. Class, I will pass BTN primary and width of 100. Text, write update status. Name attribute, very important. I will pass update track. Admin will also have the right to delete the order. Below this form, create this horizontal line. I will create one anchor tag. From here also, admin can delete the order. I will write BTN danger and width of 100. Index.php. For delete order, we have passed delete order is equal to 3. Okay, whatever order ID we are having, that we are going to pass. Text, I will write delete order. Just come to list orders, copy this on click event handler. Inside this, I will be pasting. Are you sure you want to delete this order? Rest entire content I am just going to remove. Save. Come to project, refresh once. You can see I am having update status and also I am having this delete order button. From here, I can select the status. You can see successfully I am able to select. For this button, I will also give some margin. Here I will write margin top of 4. Save this. Come to project, refresh once. You can see now I am having the space. So successfully admin can update. As soon as admin clicks on update, whatever status we are having, that will be updated here, as well as it will be updated for the user. So this is the static structure we have created for order details page.